Hi guys, and a very warm welcome to this video series on the brand new plugin from Native Instruments called Saffron. Now this plugin is the first in a new series of plugins from Native Instruments called the Scene series. And the idea behind these plugins is that they're going to be very inexpensive. So if you're on a budget, you want to kind of dip your toes into the world of, in this case, cinematic scoring, then you've got a very cheap kind of entry-level plugin, which has got amazing sounds, very easy to use, very intuitive, but at its core, great sounds at your fingertips for not a huge outlay. So this plugin is definitely designed for media composers mainly, but anyone who wants to add in some kind of cinematic flavor, some drama into their music is going to get a lot out of this plugin. It's got great presets, 120 of them to choose from. So you can see here they're organized like so, and it's perfect for creating kind of very deep tones, lush atmospheres, strings, synth pads, brass, things like that. Now the plugin is very, very simple in the way that it's laid out. We only really have two pages. We have this main page, and then we have a settings page which you can open up. But really it's built around two source sounds and this XY controller, and the XY controller can be linked to a lot of these parameters that are going to change the sound and change the tone of the sound. So it's based around great source sounds that can be easily manipulated using the XY controller. And also randomization is a big part of this plugin as well. And you'll see these little dice icons dotted around, and these allow you to randomize certain aspects of the plugin. Okay, so interface wise, we have this kind of top area up here with the settings, as I said. We have our scale area here, so we can lock this to certain scales and keys. We have our two source sounds here, and we can click on a browser which appears. XY controller in the middle, and we can choose how we move between either the two source sounds or the modulation. We can obviously do that at the same time with it being an XY controller. Then we have various different options here to change the tone, or in this case, attack and release, so how the dynamics of the sound change over time. And then we have some effects down here that we can work on as well. Okay, so that's going to be the first video. We know what this plugin's about. We know at a basic level where things are and how they're laid out. In the next video, we're going to dive in and have a look at our source sounds and the XY controller, like moving between the source sounds and randomizing them. So I'll see you then. Thanks for watching.